look at this. Look at there. What? Melts in your mouth right there. Smoke some fish. So what I have here is just a small piece of it's actually steelhead. It's real similar to salmon. If you like salmon, I love it. So pretty basic, pretty simple. Everything we do around here is simple and basic. So I put a little seasoning on here, and I like anything that's citrusy on fish. That's kind of what you want to go to. And it don't take a whole lot, just a little bit. That's it. Now, if you see this fish here actually has scales on the back, we're going to leave it just like that. And I don't put a whole lot of this seasoning on there because our wood smoke, and we're going to use apple wood to smoke this with. So this fish is going to really soak up that apple wood. But like I say, go with something citrusy on your rub here, and that's all you need. So we got our seasoning on our fish. We're gonna set our smoker up. We're gonna get it around 250 degrees. And I use apple wood, and that fish will really soak up that smoke flavor. All right, so you got your fish all seasoned up the way you want it. I use these little cedar boards. Now I've actually used this one before. I'll use them twice and throw them away. So we're gonna use the other side. Soak this thing in water for about 30-45 minutes. It don't have to be saturated, but we're just gonna let it soak in a little water. So now, it's just that simple right there. So now we're gonna make sure we get our temp right on our grill and on our smoke, and we'll put this on the grill. Alright, so we're getting up to 250. That's what we're looking for. Hey, that's that good blue smoke we're looking for. Time to put this fish on. Alright. So, put that plate, and I put that right in the middle. And I put it right in the middle because I got that thermometer right in the middle. That's the most accurate for that thermometer, is right there in the middle. Now I know this grill, I know it's 20 degrees off over here on this side and 20 degrees off the other way on this side. So why not just put it in the middle? I know what I got. All right, so we just grabbed it off the grill, off the smoker. Been smoked for about an hour. Man, look at this. Look at there. What? Melts in your mouth right there. So guys, here we are with the finished product. Man, it's just like butter, you know. Can't get enough of it. Hey, like anytime, got any comments, questions, maybe criticize, hey, put it in the comments, let me know. I'll get back to you. Thanks again. Thanks for watching.